Hello and welcome back to Diaspora Lifestyle TV. This is Gladys Briggs, and in this video I want to show you how I'm going to make this beautiful autumn winter hanging basket. It's already the first week of September, and all of the plants in the garden, my baskets, are already drying out. I'm going to take you into my garden and show you my baskets and show you what they look like now at this time of the year. And maybe we can go to the garden center and get some plants to make this basket together. Come on, let's go. So, have you subscribed yet? You haven't? What are you waiting for? Come on, click on the subscribe button and on the notification bell, so that YouTube can let you know when we upload new stuff. Don't you want to find out all the goodies that we have in store for you? Click on the subscribe button. As we're trying to find out what you're doing at home, you too should be trying to find out what we are doing abroad. That's how it works. You scratch my back, I scratch your back. Come on, click on the subscribe button right away. Come on, let's go. I'm sorry, it's quite noisy outside. That's because my garden is right by the road. So sorry about the noise, but this is my first basket. It's still blooming. If anything, it's still beautiful, but I have to get ready for September. But you can see that the soil in there is getting, it's not as wet as it used to be anymore. It's getting a bit dry. So staying on top of watering it is getting harder and harder. And as the temperature gets colder, we will get to that point where these guys all like just wither away. So this is to get ready for that time. Okay, these are the other baskets that I want to change. This, you can see the leaves are looking really frumpy and they're looking tired. There's lots of dead heads on it. So yeah, I got some plants already from the garden center, and I'm going to show you what I already have, and then maybe we can add a few more to it. Let's go and see what I have. And see what I have. So I've got sorry about the mess. I've got this basket here, right here. Okay, I've got two of them, so I'm making two baskets today. I've got Cyclamen, which is a very beautiful pink plant that comes in so many different colors. For this basket, I'm doing like a pink theme, so I'm going with this color. Yeah, you can have it in white, you can have darker shades of pink and purples, but I'm going with this color. And this is like a grassy thing that's I just want to go with as well. It's called, what's it called now? I can't see. Can you see the name? Carex Commands Bronze. Okay, and I got it for £3.49 from the garden center. It's a really beautiful plant, and I think it sits nicely with the other one. This is what's this now? Caluna vulgaris, that's what it says. I also got this from the garden center, and it's continuing in the pink theme. It's continuing the pink theme as well. So I've got a few upright ones there. I think what I need now is something that is crawling, maybe an ivy or something that is crawling right down from the basket. So come with me, let's go to the garden center and find something that would complete this set of plants that we want to use for this hanging basket. So I'm at the garden center, and this is the one that I wanted to take before. I wanted to take this one, the ivy, but I've just fallen in love with this one now. See, so beautiful. And I've asked the sales rep, and he told me that this can survive the winter. So I'm kind of going with this one more now. I like this one, so I'll probably take this one. The thing is, I don't know how well I can split it into my two pots, because honestly speaking, I've only got £10. I don't want to spend more than £10 on the basket, so I have to find a way either to split it into the two pots or find this plant in the garden center sold individually. Okay, I'll just wander around, and if I find it, I'll take it, the individual one. If I don't find it, I'm gonna have to come back and take this one. So guys, this is what I decided to go with. The Oreos. Okay, I don't know what the full botanical name is, but I just generally call it Oreos. I'm going to get to my computer and show you what the name is, so that if you want to get this plant from the garden center, you would know what to tell them. I decided not to go with the ivy anymore, because when I found this one, I just fell in love with it. It just did the job of what I wanted it to do. It's just trailing right down as I wanted to do. You know, I was telling you about climber or crawler, whatever thing. I think the word I was looking for is trailing. So this is trailing right down, and it's going to give that effect. Everything in this pot here can survive through the autumn winter season. And if you live in America, anyway, we don't say the falls, we say autumn. If you live in America or Canada, in the UK we say autumn and we don't say fall. So this can survive the falls and the winter season, so right up to February, March next year. So I'm just gonna take you back to the garden now. Let's come finish off this job. We need compost, that's manure to plants. I think we also need some plant feed that can take it through the 6-7 months. What else do we need? Now we got all the plants. We need the pots, which are there already, the hanging baskets. So let's go to the garden and get it done. So this is the compost that I'm going to be using. I got this from B&Q, but you can use any. I think this is all-purpose compost, but you can also find the one that is for hanging baskets. That will be perfect for the job. I'm going to just do one basket today because I haven't got a second bit that I need for the second basket. So I'm going to use this basket. I put a little bit of plastic sheet here. This is just the bag that I cut into like a rectangle, and I'm going to pop that into the basket just to hold water in, so all the water does not drain out. You know, it keeps the water in for some days before you have to feed it again. Okay, so that's in. I'm just going to scoop the manure into the basket now. So that's the quantity of soil I have in the basket. I'm going to give it some plant feed. Okay, and this is Miracle Grow all-purpose plant feed. So I'm going to put some of those in now. Okay. Okay. That looks ready now. All that we need to do now is to put the plants in as we would like to have them in the plant. Make a nice floral arrangement in the basket. Okay. So the first one that I'm going to go in there with is the Carex Conans Bronze. So I'm going to just give it a little push on the bottom like that, so the roots can come off easily. And then I position it where I want it to be. Okay, and I'd like it to be, because it's the tallest one of them all, I'd like it to be at the back, so that it will not block the ones in the front view. Then I'm going to go in with this one. Okay, this is the Caluna Vulgaris. Yep, this one. Again, I'm going to just give you a little push at the bottom like this, and push a little bit more. It's gonna be a little bit more. Oops, that's it. Okay, if I pull those out a little bit, then I would have more opportunities to be able to be successful with pulling it out. Okay, let's try that. Yep, that worked. I'm going to position this one right here. Oh, that looks like a beautiful combination already. I love that. And then I'm going to go in with my Cyclamen. Okay, that's a different shade of pink, a softer like a pastel pink. I like that color as well. I think 4 would be just right for the basket, so it doesn't become too much. And the last one that I'm going to go in with is the aureas that I just got. This one, the trailing one. Okay, I pop the rest back because I don't need those ones for this basket. And that is just going to sit somewhere there, so it just trails right down from that. Can you see how beautiful that's looking? And I'm just going to finish that off by filling up all the leftover spaces with compost. So let me do that. I don't know, I'm being tempted to put another plant in here, but I don't know what that plant would be. Maybe I should put the green one, the green grass in the pot there. I'm being tempted to put this one. Let's try that one and see what it looks like. That's quite big. Let's see. I don't know. What do you think? Is that all right? Let me see. That's all right. That's beautiful as well. So that works. That's fine. Yeah, so we'll fill that in and water it. This is a beautiful climber and it's got a rooting system, so it will continue to go everywhere, all over that basket, creeping everywhere. It flowers in the summer month, but it doesn't flower during the winter months. So I don't care so much for the flowers because I've got a nice pop of colors there. I'm just after some green foliage that can trail right down from the basket. And lots of you have said, oh, you don't have this type of hanging baskets in Nigeria. How would you create something like this? Just go to the shop and get a raffia basket. Get a raffia basket and put some plastic bag inside it, and you can still then create this inside the plastic bag and sit the plastic bag inside the raffia basket, and you would have a lovely hanging basket. Some people have used buckets, little buckets, paint buckets, you know. So that's it. It's all done. I just need to put some water now and then take you to where I'm going to hang it. Where's my watering can? I'll go grab some water now. Okay, so I'm going to give it a good drink of water, a very good drink of water, and then we can go and see if we can hang it all up. I like that. That looks beautiful. There you are. It's a beautiful basket. Okay. So what do you think of that? I like it. It's beautiful. Look. What do you think of my pink theme? Do you know, grass can be so beautiful, you know? And this was spontaneous. I didn't think I would add that bit of green there, but it all worked very well. So let's go and hang it up and see what the finished display look is going to look like. Okay, come on, let's go. The baby all hung up now, and that's just going to be there, just looking beautiful all through the winter. Well, that's where I'm going to cut it for today. Please click on the subscribe button if you want to have more of all of the fun things that we do in our diaspora life. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye.